All right, with this one, like our other things, the biggest idea is to get the radical by itself. So what I need to do is I need to subtract 3 to both sides. And what you end up with is the square root of z squared minus z minus 7 equals z minus 1. Now remember, there's nothing we can do with these guys until we get them out of the radical. So I want to undo this radical since it's by itself now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to square this side, and whatever you do to one side, you have to do the other. This goes away with this, which ends up giving me z squared minus z minus 7 equals. Now remember, this is not z squared minus 1. It's z minus 1 and z minus 1. And when you FOIL it out, you get z squared minus 2z plus 1. So that's going to be z squared minus 2z plus 1. Now, anytime we have this, we always want to subtract everything to one side because it's quadratic. But if you see here, if I take away z squared to both sides, the z squareds go away, so it's no longer quadratic. Now it's linear, which means now what I want to do is I want to put the z on one side and then everything else on the other. So negative z plus 2 is just z. Negative 7 plus 7 is nothing. Equals negative 2c plus 2z is 0, and then this is going to be 8. So my answer, I'm claiming, is going to be 8. But remember, we have to check because the square root of the squared is not really this inside, it's the absolute value. So let's make sure. So let's plug this back into my original. You always want to plug it into the original because we never know if we ever make a mistake later on. So 8 squared is 64. Minus 8 minus 7. We're going to find the square root of that. Plus 3 equals 8 plus 2. So 8 plus 2 is going to be 10. I'm going to get rid of the rest of this work so I can finish this. Six, 5, 14, 6, 56. 56. Wow, my math is way off. Now I'm going to take 56 and subtract 7. This is going to be 4, 1. 16 minus 7 is 9. This is 4. So this is going to be the square root of 49 plus 3 equals 10. This is going to be 7 plus 3 equals 10. And 7 plus 3 is 10. So yep, it works.